Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to get on here and unbox my March BoxyLuxe for you. I'm going to start off this video by saying for the longest time I have called it BoxyLuxe, and I feel like a complete redneck. I don't know if that's how they were pronouncing it at the time and that's why I thought it was pronounced like that, or if that's just how I read it. Now I'm seeing everybody pronounce it BoxyLuxe, so I'm going to unbox the March BoxyLuxe for you. I just wanted to do it really quickly, so this is not going to be a very long video. It's just going to be an unboxing. So that's the box it comes in. I was sent an email from BoxyCharm a couple of weeks ago saying that my particular skin tone group might have gotten the wrong Cover FX palette. So I'm really hoping that's not the case, because that is like the ticket item in this box. It's the one thing that everyone was looking forward to, and I'm really hoping that I get the right color palette. If not, I mean, I guess I could try to trade mine for somebody that got the opposite of what I got. Now, BoxyCharm did try to like right that wrong by sending us 4,500 charms that we could use in the charm room. The only issue I have with that is that the charm room never has anything very good in it. And I'm not being a hater, because I love BoxyCharm, but I've looked in the charm room and I never see anything in there that I'm really too drawn to. And I have looked since I got that email, and there's really nothing in there that I would like to have. So if I don't get that Cover FX palette, I'm going to be a little upset, but I still love BoxyCharm. It is what it is. I'll find a way to deal with it. So the theme of this one is La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. That's the little card that we get when you first open the box. The first thing that I'm pulling out is a bag. I'm just going to open it really quickly. I literally have like 20 makeup bags just because I order too much makeup. So I don't really need a makeup bag, but this one is really cute. It is shiny and looks like it would hold quite a bit. So, oh, and it says BoxyCharm on the inside. That's cute. So I do like that. That will hold a lot of stuff. So that's number one. The price tag on that bag is $20. The next product in the box is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and that's this stuff here. I did watch Kathleen Lights use this on her channel a couple days ago, and it looked like she was going to rip skin off her face. So I don't know how excited I am to use this product, but I will give it a try. This mask is going to run you $34 if you buy it at the store. Okay, the next product in our box is a Becca lipstick. This is their Ultimate Lipstick Love. Mine is in the shade C Mauve. Take a look at it. Really cute and sleek packaging. Okay. That doesn't really look mauve to me, but that's definitely a pretty color. If you guys can see that. So that's cool. That's nice. I like that. Oh, and it's got that magnetic lid. I love those. Those are so neat and innovative. And that lipstick costs $24. Okay, so the next product that I'm pulling out of here is an iconic London eyebrow cushion. I've never used an eyebrow cushion. That's interesting. This eyebrow cushion is going to cost $40. $40 for some eyebrows. I gotta see what the hype is about this cushion, if I can get it out of the box. $40 to have some brows, like that's, I better get them tattooed on for $40. Oh, okay, so very fancy packaging, I guess you could say. It's got a little container here. There's like a little tab that you pull. Let's pull that tab. Let's just do it. We're living on the edge right now. Oh, that's right. It says cushion. Yeah, so that's liquid. That's strange. Oh boy, that... Okay. That's going to be interesting. That is super liquidy. let's put that tab right back in that little hole here. There's also a little spoolie and brush that comes in that little packaging. So that's neat. We'll give that a try at some point. See how disastrous I can make my eyebrows look. $40. That's a lot of money for an eyebrow cushion that I never knew I needed. All right, the next product in the box is from Moda Brushes. This is a powder and soft glow brush. There's one of each. Oh, I like that. Oh, I really like this powder brush. That is super soft. And then this one, what would I use that for? You could use that one for like highlight. That would be really good for that. Is that what that's supposed to be for? Yeah. I like that. Cool. The Moda brushes are going to run you $29.99, $30. Okay, the next product we have in here is from Deborah Lipman. Now, I have seen these nail polishes on the Sephora website before, and I do know these are pretty pricey for nail polishes. These are beautiful colors, in my opinion. I really don't wear nail polish that much, but they are pretty. Show you those. I do like those. Those are going to cost $20 for the set. Okay. The next product in here, this one I was kind of excited to get just because I've never owned a pair of Lily lashes before. And these are the style Gaia, I'm assuming. And they look like this. They are really pretty. Very dramatic lashes. I don't know how those will look on my eyeballs, but, you know, we'll have to give those a try here soon and we'll see. I'm kind of interested. Okay, how much are the Lily lashes? I know they're usually pretty expensive. $25. $25 for eyelashes. Okay. The next product in here is from the brand It Cosmetics, and this is the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So I know with the last one we had the Elemis Super Collagen Marine Cream. I've been using that every day and my skin does get pretty moisturized. I don't know if it was worth the $129 or however much crazy it was, but it was nice cream. So I'm kind of interested to start using this because my Elemis is close to being gone, but not quite. This is like super heavy duty packaging. This is like, I don't know. I know this stuff's expensive. Let me see what it says here. All right, so that Confidence in a Cream, $48. Okay, 2 more products in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna bite the bullet and open this Cover FX palette. I'm a little nervous. I have a feeling it's not gonna be my shade. So that's what it looks like on the outside. Oh, and I just saw it's not. It says medium deep on the back. Damn it. Oh boy. Well, I don't think I'll be able to use that for much. That kind of stinks. Unless they add some really good products to the charm room, I am super bummed about that because I really, really was looking forward to this palette. And they did send us, when they sent the email, they were like, we're sorry, we don't have any more we can send, you know, with the proper ones. That just kind of sucks for those of us that, you know, pay for this extra fee for every 3 months to have this upgraded box and we weren't able to get, you know, the product that was hyped up and everybody was looking forward to. But whatever, you know, I'm not going to be bitter. Let's move on. So that Cover FX palette is worth $45. All right, the last thing that I'm pulling out of this box is a Morphe eyeshadow palette, and this one is this one is Day Slayer. It's got some really pretty orange and brown tones in there. Let me show you that. This looks really similar to one that I already have, but it's definitely not the same one. So that's nice. I mean, it's always nice to get eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. I collect eyeshadow. And this eyeshadow palette is worth $16. Okay, so let's add all these products up and see how much value is in this BoxyLuxe from March. We have the Cover FX palette that's $45. We have the Moda brushes that are, let's just say, $30. We have the Iconic eyebrow cushion that is $40. The Wander Beauty peel-off mask is $34. We have the Lily lashes that are $25. We have the It Cosmetics cream that is $48. The Becca lipstick is $24. The Morphe palette is $16. The Deborah Lippmann nail polish is $20. And the BoxyCharm train case, that little bag, is $20. So overall, you're talking about a $302 value for this box. And the box is $50. So to me, overall, I think the box is worth it. I think it would have been a little more worth it had I gotten the correct Cover FX palette, just because, again, we were all looking forward to it. I know I keep talking about it. I'm just going to stop. But overall, I don't think that this was a bad box. I do like the products I got in it. I'm kind of excited to try that eyebrow cushion. I think that's a different, unique type of product. I do like the nail polish, and if I don't wear the nail polish, I know my daughter will. And then I'm also excited to try the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I'm pretty sure I've tried this before, but not on a regular basis, so I want to see what it does like long term. The lipstick was a really pretty color. The Lily Lashes was a good product. And then the Moda brushes I really like. So yeah, not a bad month for BoxyLuxe. So that wraps up this video. If you guys like this unboxing for BoxyCharm, you know, my beauty subscriptions, BoxyLuxe, whatever, let me know. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you also get BoxyLuxe, and let me know if you got the wrong Cover FX palette. If you like this video, you like any of my other videos, please hit that subscribe button. Come back and see me again soon. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.